friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name's TeresaLouise, and today I have for you the April Sew Sampler box. I just got it in the mail, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. April is their anniversary month, so they've been going for 7 years on this box, and I pay, or the cost of the box is $29.95. I had to look it up. And then your shipping is $4.95. So you're looking at around $34.90, 35 bucks. And then if your state has tax, then you get charged tax. So let's get going on what's in the box. All righty. Here we go. Let's get her open. Luckily, I have this cool little knife. Opens things up pretty darn good. Bring it down just a little bit more for you. I thought this might be easier than just holding it up. Okay, let's look. It says life is better in the garden. Yay, that is a fact. That is. All right, let's get a look here. Oh, more paper, so you can't really see what's in there. Okay, this is talking, no promotional codes on this. It's talking about the new block of the month, so I'll read that in a minute. And then you always get a little card that tells you about everything that's in the box, so I'll set that over here and I'll give you the prices for everything. And then we have another card in here that says Lucky 7 for 7. Okay, this one has the promo codes on it, and it looks like we got 3 of them. Free shipping with any $30 purchase. Then there's another one, a free Jolly Bar book, volume 4, with any $40 purchase. And then 15% off fat quarter bundles. Cool. I might have to use that 15% off, so that's really nice. Awesome. And here's what's in the box. Okay, let's take a look. I'll open these fat quarters in a minute, but let me tell you, it's Pickers Patch, Sweet Acres. We get 6-piece fat quarter bundle. Retail value $19.98. So those are really pretty. Very nice. By Beverly. So I'll open those up so you can see them all. Then we have, it's not lotion, it's a Magic Quilting and Craft Iron Cleaner. Awesome, I need some of that. $7.98 value. Removes residue, safe for most irons, non-flammable. Wow. I'm going to have to give that a try, and I'll let you know how that works. I really need to clean my iron, so happy to have that. And then we have some little screwdriver set, and that is $5.54 retail value. These are the little screwdrivers, that you need for your sewing machine. So awesome to have those. I like having extra, actually, so I can take these downstairs or over to the Longarm, and then I'm not always hunting for them. So anyway, yeah, I like that. And then we have this cord wrap Rick Rack set of 3. It's valued at $5.98, but they consider this a bonus, and it's from the Featherweight Shop. Okay, so cord wraps. So you wrap these around your cord, keep them up out of the way. Those are awesome, and they're teal, so pretty color. Yeah, I like those. Ooh, look at this. Got a needle minder. Now, I collect needle minders, so I'm good with this. This is Pickers Patch Quilt Needle Minder. Where's it at? 1124 Flamingo Toes Pickers Patch Enamel Needle Minder is what it is. That is really cute. Sorry about the glare there. And of course, it's a magnet. And if you don't know what a needle minder is, let me show you real quick. It's a thing that you can put your needles on, like if you're doing cross stitch or hand sewing, any kind of hand sewing. I can get it out. They usually have pretty strong magnets. Yeah, that's really pretty. So the needle just sticks right on there. But yeah, they usually have super strong magnets on them. Just a little thing. So yeah, I can put that up with my other ones. Awesome. And then we have the pattern Pickers Patch Quilt pattern. That's really pretty. This pattern makes a 48.5 by 57.5 quilt. If you want to make it, you would use the 6 fat quarters. And then you're also going to need 2 1/4 yards of background and borders, 3/4 yard outer borders, and 5/8 of a yard for the binding. So that is super cute. I'd like to do that. Hey, let me know down in the comments if you would like to make this quilt with me. And maybe we could do a video or a live stream putting those together. That'd be awesome. So this is the new block of the month. Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at that. And this is actually by the Fat Quarter Shop. So they're sponsoring it this month. So that is cool. I love that block. That's really pretty. Also, let me know down in the comments if you want to do this block of the month. That is, if you get the Sew Sampler box. Yeah, I'd like to hear from you. Okay, so that's all that's in the box. Let's open this up real quick. maybe real quick. Very pretty. Very springy looking colors here. I'll just fold it over. So here is the designer. There she is. And then we have, oh, let's just take the whole thing out. And this one. That's really pretty. Ooh, very soft fabric too. This one. Looks like I'm getting a shadow on the camera there. That's pretty. Ooh, look at this one here. And milk bottles with flowers in them. That's cute. And then a pretty little green one. So that's all 6 of those. I love getting fat quarters. So there you go. Really pretty. Okay. Well, that's all that's in the box. Oh, let me tell you about what the retail total value is. Let me add it up real quick. I'm just going to round it up. So it looks like about $66 retail value for everything that's in the box. So the fabric, got a needle minder, the tools, cord holder, and iron cleaner, pattern, and a new block of the month. So what'd you guys think of this box? Did you get it? Do you love it? Do you like it? What do you like the most, and what don't you like? I'm going to guess that most people's, let's see, would probably don't care about these, or maybe this, or maybe you don't care for the needle minder. I love little needle minders, so I'm good with it. But I do cross stitch and hand sewing. So anyhow, that's it for now. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm so happy that you did. Until next time, get out there and make something. Stay blessed, you guys. Bye for now.